From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. Penn State meteorologist Hannah Ruisi here with your look live at Beaver Stadium. We have some pretty cloudy skies, and we're going to see that is all coming from the lakes. That will be a main topic this morning. As we head to right now, it is 32 degrees, a little bit chilly. It feels like 20 because the winds sustained over here are around 20 miles per hour. That is very high for this time of year. As we look into the temperatures across the state, we can see 27 in Clearfield, 28 in Du Bois. The main story here is just that wind coming in from the west, bringing those temperatures down and those wind chills even colder. As we look and zoom out across the state, we can see over in the east our warm spots are Harrisburg and Philadelphia over at 35. Up in Erie, we have 31, so around freezing as well. They're having those winds come in from Lake Erie, and we're having those just from the west. All right, as we look at our radar satellite right now, we can see those bands coming in from Erie and just Lake Erie in general coming in across the state. We can even see a band going across northeastern PA. That's just coming right from the same system. We could even see a few flurries that are dissipating to the south of the state. And as we zoom out, we can see that this is not only what's going on in Lake Erie right now, but it's the same story for all the Great Lakes. They all have this precipitation because there's this cold air that's coming down from the north, and the Great Lakes temperature is actually warmer than normal. And when you have warm parcels of water mixed with those cool parcels of air up above, you have a very unstable surface, and that's going to result in this precipitation that we are getting across the Great Lakes. All right, for our future weather forecast, we can see Thursday moving into our afternoon. You can see a few scattered flurries across the state. Some of those may be snow squall just because of those winds, so watch out for heavily reduced visibility within a few minutes. Keep an eye out for those weather alerts. As we move into Thursday night, Friday morning, mostly overcast skies up here. Over in Erie, we could get a few snow showers, and we can see those totals rack up. Those will especially accumulate on Friday. A few flurries going in across the rest of the state as we move into our weekend. As we look at our future weather forecast here, we can see some snow accumulations. Over in Johnstown, we can get up to 2.4 inches in the lower Highlands, but our main story up here is going to be Erie with 16.8 inches. That is not an error. And as we move up even further along the coast in Buffalo, we can see totals up to 2 to 3 feet of snow. And that is definitely higher than usual for this year. As we head into the wind speeds, we can see sustained winds of 20 over here, 22 in Johnstown, definitely looking breezy on your commute out. And as we look at our winter weather alerts, we can see over in Erie, we have a lake effect snow warning, and that is in effect until Thursday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think that'll likely be extended just because of the heavy snow bands that they're going to get on Friday and Saturday. As we look at today, we can see 39 and mostly cloudy skies. Those winds sustained will likely come down a little bit to 10 to 15 miles per hour. But it will most likely remain breezy, 27 tonight and mostly cloudy, but those gusts will still be around 20 miles per hour. As we head into tomorrow, 36 on your move out, chilly and cloudy with winds of 10 to 15, and gusts could even get up to 25 miles per hour. They are not going away. As we look at our football forecast, the only whiteout will be the Penn Staters in the crowd. But for our tailgates in Rutgers Stadium, we will see sunny and breezy with 40, and that's likely going to be our high. Not much above 40, just barely scraping it. At kickoff, we can see bright and chilly skies with a high of 39. And then into the fourth quarter, clear and cold around 36 as you clear out. Make sure to bring a jacket, folks. All right, looking into our 7-day forecast. We can see mostly cloudy skies Thursday with a high of 37. As we move into our weekend, Friday could see some potential PM flurries with a high of 35 and a low of 20. On Saturday, mostly sunny skies with a high of 32, getting down to 22 there at night. On Sunday, much of the same, more sun with a high of 30 and a low of 19. On Monday, we have continued sunshine with a high of 40, warming up a little bit there, and a low of 26. Tuesday, even clear skies with a high of 44 and a low of 28. On Wednesday, we could see a few clouds in the forecast with a high of 30 as we head into Thanksgiving. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Hannah Ruisi. Have a fantastic morning.